Hello, Brent Sermon here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection out here in Omaha today. Just want to point out kitchen sink here, drain line here. It's really kind of hard to tell, but this line here has an improper pitch, just a little bit lower than what it should be. So water drain out of that kitchen sink will be a little bit slower and possibility of getting clogged up. Food and stuff will settle down here into the low area. So definitely recommend getting that corrected. Quick, easy fix. Getting a plumber to come in and get that corrected. So we'll get a little bit better flow through that kitchen sink for the buyers. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.